Sawadee Krap! It's P. Joe in Pattaya. Actually, it's Jomtien. You know this area? Let's take a look around. It's Wednesday, the 25th of May. We'll go for a quiz look along the beachfront in a sec, but have a look at these little bars just here. Esco bar, Kit Kat bar. Looks okay around here. Never often come this area myself. A Viper bar, a go-go, a massive condo block, gentlemen's club. Yes, JB Pool House. It's a cool little spot here. Kit Kat clubs. Little back alley down here. Never been down here in my whole time, 20 years, Pattaya. Beach bistro bar, Zuma bar, and that's the beachfront down there. Look at that condo block. Huge condos around. Well, let's take a look at the beach because we got a nice sunny day, 30 degrees. It's great to be here. We've had overcast days lately, rain on and off. Look at that, the old Jomtien Beach Road. There's the Copacabana condo going up. Nearly finished there. Water's looking a bit more murkier. Now the crowds are coming back. I've noticed all the smells are coming back from the sewers in Soi Bukkao. Popular little spot there. And this is Dongtan, well, Jomtien, Dongtan Beach they call it. Beautiful little spot. Normally quite busy along here. Today being Wednesday, the kids are back at school. It's only just not quite 3 p.m. now. You can see there the water's starting to get back to its usual crappy self. With the 2 years with no tourists here, the place was actually getting a lot cleaner. There's the Sandbar Cafe, that's quite a good spot there too. It's one of the View to Lay condos. But yeah, hey, guess what? Great news! They're thinking of we getting rid of the masks in a couple of weeks. For most of the places, you'll still have to carry a mask with you, probably to go into a 7-Eleven or the cinemas, or you know, nightclubs they're reopening. You'll probably have to wear a mask in a nightclub, which will be a bit weird. How they're going to enforce all this, I do not know. Oh look, my house is nearly finished. 185 million baht. Look at that. That's huge. You think, what, one person's going to live in there? That's just madness, isn't it? Nice family living there. And this one was for sale as well. They've repainted that. Was looking a bit crap. Whether they can sell that for 100 and whatever million baht. Look at the beach. It's looking all right. Not too busy. Come in soon. There you go. More villas. Billionaire Street they call it. You're going to need $1 billion to... All the rainbow flags are up. This is the known gay area, or used to be, might have changed these days. Rabbit resort, pet friendly resort. You can bring your dog or cat there. How good is this? The sun's out, 30 degrees. P. Joe, living the dream. I haven't been out the last couple of nights. Just been having a couple of quiet nights because I've been drinking too much lately, so I thought I'd slow down a bit. There's the Pattaya Park Tower up there. On a weekend, this road here becomes a traffic jam. People park both sides of the road, you can't move. I thought I'd do a quick trip along here. It's the water park, they're now open. Great for kids in there. Oh, look at this. Later on they all play volleyball here. It's probably a bit too hot. 3 o'clock today. Look at that little platform out there, floating platform. Well, look, it's not really a swim platform. Pattaya Park, you see that little box there, the cable car just there? I've been on that right up to the top. Man, it's scary when it blows around and you get off up the top there. I think it's still operating, but not sure if I'd risk it these days. And this little spot here, it's one of the first beaches I ever came to. Nice and quiet. Before they built all this lot, all these condos. Now, see all the ground, beautiful lawns there, good condos. That's, look at the condos. But this little spot here, this used to be all dirt track along here, and this was a beautiful beach, still is. There's no name on that resort, but I forget the name of it. I'm sure you can all look it up. Good spot around here. Come to the beach every day, relax. There's a lot of restaurants just up here in this area too. This is the Pratumnak Soi 5, the bottom end of it, coming up in a minute. Oh, there's Adriatic Palace Hotel, that one, with the round balconies. So everyone's doing okay. You can all come back now. They're dropping the Thai pass for returning Thais, but not for us tourists. But hopefully in another month's time they'll change that again. There's the sand sauna, the beach club in there. It gets popular in there. You see in there, looks all right. Sauna room. And here's the bottom of Pratumnak Soi 5. Go have a look around here, give you guys a good look. Look at that, Jomtien Beach goes for miles down in the distance there. And Kolan Island you can see just there. It's the Sands Cafe. That's a new block there, not quite finished. And that's got a Thai name, that condo block. And that looks all right, beachfront too, and a lot of restaurants around that area. But look at that block, man, it's huge, humongous. And this spot here, it tends to be a lot of Thais come along here. Maybe the tourists, us Phalang, we don't know about this area. Nice shade under the trees there. It's hot. As I said, 30 degrees today, hot and sticky as always. And this is where they're going to build the new beach club along here. You can see there, the new mixed discotheque Pattaya is going on that block there. Ocean Beach Club, so that's going to be cool. There's the Kolan